God calls those things that are not as though they are. And that's one thing about God that we all need to follow. God does not speak what He sees. He speaks what He wants to see. It is already there in the spiritual realm, but He calls it forth into the visible. He calls it forth from the intangible. This is the power of God. God don't speak about the problem, He speaks solution. This is the spirit of faith. You believe, you speak. Either it's good or bad. You believe, you speak. Jesus said, as you have believed, so it be done unto you. You want good things to happen in your life? You want blessings of God to manifest in your life? You have to believe it first. And how do you release it? You need to speak it. So I believe, so I confess, I speak.